Good morning, boys and girls. Today's math lesson is all about rectangles. Now, rectangles, as you can see here, have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Remember, vertex is that big word for corners that we've been using all week. Rectangles also have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But the main thing you have to remember about rectangles is that 2 sides are shorter and 2 sides are longer. If all 4 sides were the same, what shape would it be? If you said square, you are correct. So if I drew a shape like this, I'm not going to draw it very well, that would be a square, not a rectangle. So I want you to print out the page, cut them out, and sort them. Rectangles or not a rectangle. Another shape that is not a rectangle is something that looks like this, but is not closed. That is not a rectangle because it's missing one of its sides. Okay, then we're going to move on to page 2. On this page, you're going to color all of the rectangles. Make sure you look carefully. Some of them might be twisted. So look carefully to find your 4 vertices and your 4 sides. Then on the next page, in number 1 and 2, you're going to color the rectangles. Let's look at this one for a second. See here, these corners are rounded. They're not really corners. So are those vertices? If you answered no, then you are correct. These are not vertices because they are curves. They are not vertices, so this is not a rectangle. Make sure you do not color this one in as a rectangle. So look for those ones with 4 vertices, 4 sides, where 2 sides are longer than the other 2. Now look at these shapes. Trace only the rectangles, not the square, not the triangle. Then, how many sides does a rectangle have? This time I'm going to fill it in correctly. 4 sides. And how many vertices does a rectangle have? 4 vertices. Okay, let's look at the next page. On this page, you're going to trace and color 4 rectangle posters on the wall. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can trace them, you can color them in, add some design. Then you're going to put 3 more posters on this wall. 3 more rectangles. 1. I'm going to put another long one here. And then I'm going to put another long one here. And then you're going to write an addition sentence. So 4 plus 3. Make sure you add that plus sign in the middle if it's an addition sentence. I don't know why an arrow showed up. Make sure it's a plus sign, not an arrow. So 4 plus 3 equals, and you write the answer. I want you to add it together. The next 2 pages are optional. If you do them, post the whole thing on Seesaw for me to check or have your parents email it to me. Enjoy learning about rectangles. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.